Good morning, children. Today we will learn about comparing numbers, which is given in your book. So, first question is, what is the meaning of comparing numbers? So, it means if we will get two numbers, we will have to find which number is greater than, which number is less than the other number, and which are equal. So first we should know the symbols of comparing numbers. What are the symbols? So the symbol of greater than is this. The symbol of less than is this, and the symbol of equal to is this. The easy trick of remembering the symbols of comparing numbers is always keep in mind that the open mouth will be always in front of greater number. The closed mouth is always in front of the less than and equal sign, like this. Now children, there are some rules to compare numbers. Rule number 1 is, first count the digits in the given numbers. Which number is having more digit than, that number will be greater than the other number. For example, if we take two numbers 9, 5, we will compare both numbers, which number is having more greater digit. So which is the bigger digit? This 9 is greater than 5, so 9 is the bigger digit. So we will put greater sign in front of the 9. Now the second rule. After that, we will compare the value of the digits starting from the thousands place. For example, if we will take two numbers like 5, 4, 2, 5, 4, 4, 2, 4, we will compare these numbers from the thousands place. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So we will compare from the left number. First number, thousand place is on which number? This. 5 is at thousands place, and here which number is at thousands place? 4. So 5 is bigger than 4, so which number is greater? This. So we will put greater than sign in front of this. 5, 4, 2, 5, 4, 4, 2, 4. which number is greater? This number. So we will put greater than sign in front of this number. Okay. Now children, the rule number 3. After that we will compare the value of the digit which is at hundreds place. आपको हमको क्या करना है, देखना है कि जो डिजिट हंड्रेड्स प्लेस पे है उसको कंपेयर करना है. लाइक if we will take two numbers 5, 3, 2, 4 and 5, 4, 2, 4. What we will have to do? We will have to compare the digit at hundreds place. So this is ones, this is tens, this is hundred, and this is thousand. This is one, this is tens, this is hundred, and this is thousand. So let's see, this is thousand and this is hundred. So we will have to compare first of all thousand, then hundred. So 5 is at thousands place, and here also 5 is at thousand place. Now which number is at hundreds place? 3. And here which number is at hundreds place? 4. So which is greater in both? 4 is greater than 3. So in these two numbers, which number is greater? This number is greater than this. So we will put greater than sign in front of this number. 5, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, 4. 5344, 5424. Because 4 is greater than 3, so we will put greater than sign or symbol in front of this number. Now rule number 4. Rule number 4. After that we will compare the value of the digits at ones place, tens place. अब हमें क्या करना है, हमें कंपेयर करनी है दोनों डिजिट्स, दोनों नंबर्स की डिजिट हंड्रेड्स के बाद टेंस प्लेस पे जो है. लाइक 5, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 1, 4. This is 1, this is tens, this is hundred, this is thousands. Ones, tens, hundred and thousands. So start comparing from thousands place. 5, 5, 3, 3. Now 2, 1. 2 is at tens place, and here 1 is at tens place. So which number is greater, 2 or 1? 2. So in these two numbers, this number is greater than this, because here 2 is at hundreds place, 2 is at tens place, and here 1 is at tens place. So we will put greater than symbol in front of this number. Now next rule, Now we will compare the value of the digit it's at ones place. अब हमें क्या करना है, वंस प्लेस की डिजिट को, जो डिजिट वंस प्लेस पे है उसको कंपेयर करना है दूसरी डिजिट से. लाइक 5 3 4 2 5 3 4 4. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So compare, start comparing. 5 5 3 3 4 4. These three number digits are same in both numbers. Now 2 and here 4. 2 is at ones place here and 4 is at ones place here. So which is greater? 4. So in these two numbers, which number is greater? This number, because here 4 is at ones place. So 3 4 2 5 3 4 4. We will put greater than symbol in front of this number.